In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set gig pricing on Fiverr. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr, then click the official Fiverr website in the results. If you're not already signed in, log into your seller account so you can access the tools you need. Starting from Google is a quick way to get to the right place, especially if you don't have Fiverr bookmarked. Once you're on Fiverr, look for the top navigation and click My Business. This is where Fiverr keeps all of your seller features. From there, select Gigs to view your active gigs, paused gigs, and drafts. If you have multiple services, scan the list to find the one you want to update. On the gig you want to change, click the small drop-down icon on the right side of the row, then choose Edit. This opens the gig editor, where you manage everything from your title to your gallery and, importantly for today, your pricing. Inside the editor, click the Pricing tab. This is where your packages and extras live and where buyers compare your options. Now, set your pricing. Start by deciding whether you want to use one package or the full 3 tiers: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Keep each package clearly scoped. Define what's included, how long it will take, and how many revisions you'll offer. Match the price to the value and the effort required. If your service varies by complexity, let your tiers scale in deliverables and speed. For delivery time, choose a time frame you can consistently meet and use faster delivery as a paid extra if appropriate. Revisions should protect your time. Offer enough to make buyers comfortable but avoid open-ended promises. If your category supports it, specify measurable elements like number of pages, words, screens, lessons, or design concepts so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Add gig extras thoughtfully. Common examples include extra revisions, additional concepts, source files, commercial rights, or expedited delivery. Price extras to reflect the extra work and make sure they complement your tiers rather than replace them. It's also smart to reference market rates by quickly checking similar gigs in your niche, then positioning your packages competitively without undercutting your value. Remember that clarity sells. Short, benefit-focused package names and descriptions help buyers choose faster and reduce pre-sale questions. When everything looks good, click Save and Preview. Review how your pricing table appears to buyers and confirm the differences between packages are obvious. If something feels unclear or misaligned, jump back, make adjustments, and preview again. That's it. Your gig pricing is set and ready to help the right buyers pick the right package with confidence.